When I was a kid and I first saw Gene Wilder portray the eccentric Roald Dahl character Willy Wonka, I was instantly a little bit scared, but 100% hooked. And now as an adult who covers the manufacturing industry, I can't help but observe the many compliance problems rampant in the film, the least of which includes lickable wallpaper lining the interior of a sanitary food processing plant. I guess I'm not the only one who has wondered how Willy Wonka's chocolate factory would look in real life. According to a report developed by Advanced Technology Services, a service provider designed to help to minimize downtime and improve productivity for manufacturers, if Willy Wonka's factory were put into play in today's dollars, it would cost about $225 million to reproduce. Here's how they break it down. The ATS report estimates that Wonka's chocolate factory would be on par in size and production capability to a major candy brand like Nestle or Cadbury. Based on this, they say it would cost about $2 million just to keep the lights on. If the chocolate river came to life, 150,000 gallons of liquid chocolate, along with pumps and heaters, would set Wonka back about $32.7 million, or $47 million if the chocolate were organic. Not covered in the report, what it would cost to sanitize the chocolate river after Augustus Gloop falls in. I'm gonna guess a lot of dollars. With the average chocolate worker making about $50,000 per year, ATS estimates that the bustling team of Oompa Loompas would carry a $73 million price tag, and then tack on another $8 million plus for healthcare. ATS also estimates the cost of the flying glass elevator at $109 million, so I think we've identified a pretty easy cost-cutting opportunity. Maybe time to switch to a non-flying mezzanine? Anyway, the point is the chocolate factory would be an expensive real-life endeavor, so Wonka might want to focus on recurring revenue and therefore consider eliminating one specific product from his line, the everlasting gobstopper. You only have to buy one. What kind of business model is that? I'm Anna Wells, and this is IEN Now.